Hello everyone, back with another review. Well, unboxing, not so much a review. This is from a company called Solgaard. I'm fairly certain that's what their name is. Just let me check here. Solgaard. And I think well, it says New York on it, but I didn't actually even remember that I was getting this product. So let's just jump right into it and I'll show you what they sent me. Okay, let's undo this. And it's funny because this bag was sent to me inside out. Anyway, sent to me inside out. But, oh well, it was kind of funny. What we got here is their solar, well, it's like a fanny pack, but solar sling is what they call it. And the purpose of this is they have the window here where they have their solar battery bank, and then they have a solar boom box, which is also a wireless charging battery bank, and I will show you them right here. This here is their solar boom box, which it has wireless charging, and I'm fairly sure it's reverse charging too, so you can put your cell phone on it. Yeah, so it'll charge your cell phone, but the box will also have wireless charging to charge itself. And then they have just the solar bank. So that would go down into here. You open this up, and right now what I have on here is their cover. If you're not going to be using their power bank or their boom box in with this, you can just place this on. So it's just a cover. So you got two different sizes here of these. This one is for their boom box, because it's bigger. And then you got this one here, which is for their power bank, which then you take, and this is a little hard to do, but you take it and you would snap it on the inside here. I'm not going to put it all the way in right now, but you get the gist. It would go in there, and then your power bank would sit here with the solar panels outwards, right? And then you have a little pocket here on the side where you can slide it in and out. And then this one's for the boom box, which is the same kind of thing. It's just bigger because the boom box is bigger. I'm not sure what the back part here is for. I'm guessing it's for the speaker. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it makes sense. And then the side thing is for your charging plugs or whatever, if you need them. So you got this big open part here, which will take a little bit of space because of the boom box or whatever. So you still have a bit of space in here. And then you got this back pocket back here, which has a couple pockets for whatever else. A big pocket here, two smaller ones here, and then your open area here. I'm just gonna pull this one out and throw this panel back inside. And then you just got a big open space, which I have actually tested. And if you don't have their boombox or solar panel power bank, or even if you do, this fits the Nintendo Switch quite well, actually, and with more room to spare for games and cords and everything else. So honestly, this is a good alternative for a Switch bag. And then if you do have the solar bank, you put it in there and you route it in through, and you can charge your Switch at the same time. I haven't actually undone this because I haven't worn it yet. Well, which I should have got to in the first place was the little booklet here. It's a Solgaard Solar Sling made with Shore-Tex. Every Solgaard item sold pulls 5 pounds of plastic from our oceans. Oh, I could have shown the solar bank and boombox right here. But yeah, some call it a sling, others call it a hip pack. One side of the world calls it a fanny pack. On the other side of the world, on the other side of the pond, it's a bum bag. Whatever you call it, make it yours, it says. They have pulled 75,000 pounds of plastic in 2019 with one of their other products. Show you a list of their other products right here that they've done on Kickstarter. This is their latest one, which is their solar home base, which is the one I backed to get the solar sling. I wish I kind of had got the solar base, but I will eventually. And then they had a carry-on closet 2.0. This is another one that used plastics. So I'm guessing this is the one they're referring to. And they got quite a few other things, bike lock and some other solar backpacks. But I'm guessing this is the one they're referring to that was using ocean plastics. Anyway, this one also is made out of ocean plastics, obviously. And you can feel the difference in the nylon, I guess, which is made out of plastic. You can feel the ruggedness here. Feels quite nice. It is well constructed, Has a nice, good zippers on it. It's really all I can really say about it since I don't have the solar box or their power bank yet, which I'll get eventually too, and then do another review and show it inside this and everything like that. But I just kind of want to do an initial unboxing and my initial thoughts and what it could be used for if you don't have their power bank, which is my brother has a Nintendo Switch, so I just tried it out and it fits quite well in there. All in all, I like it. I think I probably just give it to my brother for now so he can use that for now until I get the power bank and whatnot and do another little review. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed my video on the Solgaard Solar Sling Pack, please smash that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more content in the future. I will leave their website link and their Kickstarter link and their Indiegogo if they have one, but mainly their website. So you can go pick up one for yourself if you want to and check out all their other products that they have on there. They are a great company. They seem to be very attentive to their customers. So go check them out and show them some support. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.